Thank you. I tried many times, but I didn't succeed. Yeah. Then, pardon? Thank you. And you tell me what brings you here. Pardon? Instagram? Okay. You got to know from this platform from Instagram Reels, right? Okay, then do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with language learner? Both. How long have you been using this platform? Okay, then how much time do you invest through platform? Wow. Then do you talk with anyone in English with your friend? Okay, how many languages do you know? And Telugu is your native language, right? Okay, what's your future plan? Wow, only you want to get married? You want to get married or you don't? Pardon? Wow, may God bless you. You get married and as soon as possible you get also free kid, right? Then how many kid do you want to born? How many? Okay, more than? Okay, more than? Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Then how many siblings do you have? How many siblings? Hmm? Hmm. Okay, you are two kids of your parents, right? Okay. Then what he does? 12th standard, right? Okay. And then you don't want to do anything? Only you want to, what's your future plan? I asked you, then you tell I want to get married. Then you don't want to do anything? Doing anything after graduation, you don't want to join any kind of department or know any work? That is also, that's why. But you have to tell my long-term goal is I want to do job and short-term goal I get married and I would need two, three kids. You have to tell that kind of. Okay. And you need three kids, right? May God bless you. Definitely you success your desire. Definitely you can do. And apart from this platform, do you have different platform to enhance your English speaking? Okay. What type of video do you watch? Okay, I didn't get your point. You told some good video and some bad video. Then what is bad video? Okay. Then what type of is it? Okay, that is means okay. Which language do you watch? Only English. Okay. Because you okay. And do you want to learn different languages or it's enough for you? Okay. Then if you get chance to go to abroad, then do you want to go? Okay. Uh, oh, right now you are in abroad, is it? Which country? Which country? Okay. What do you do in there? Are you studying or are you doing job? Okay, you are studying in there. Then after completing your graduation, you want to do any type of job in there or do you want to come back in India? Okay, you want to work there, right? Okay, so fine. Then what time is there right now? 10 o'clock. Okay, 9:25. Then did you finish your breakfast? Okay, are you staying in any hostel or are you in staying in rent or hotels? Okay, rented flat. Then do you stay alone or do you stay with your friends? Alone. Okay, how far from your university, your college to your place where you? Okay, it is only walking distance, right? Okay, then do you have any friend in there? Local friend? Okay, then he or she, he or she. Yeah. You told I have friend. Then I asked you, your friend is female or male? Both. Okay. Then how long have you been there? How long? 4 years. Then you know about that place, everything, right? Okay. Then what is weather in there? Do you get Indian food in there? Okay. How is weather? Do you like that weather? Hmm? Okay. Right now, what time? what season is going on there? What season is going on there? Okay, then you like that season, right? Okay, why do you like that season? Okay, then you see them. Okay, that's why you like that season, right? Okay, if you be in India, then which season do you like? Winter. Okay, if you are in India, then you like winter season, and if you in abroad, then you like summer season, right? Okay. Then when you come to India next year, okay. Then do you contact with your parents daily? Okay. Then what type of food do you get in there? Okay. You cook Indian food, right? Do you have any Indian friend in there? Okay. How many Indian friends? do- Okay, they are staying nearest from you or they are staying in different location? Okay. Then have you visited that country? Okay. Then my life is